Hello, it's another day and another practice. All right, let's find the days that we're going to go back to. September 19th. Here we are, September 19th. Okay. Oh, look, I had turned off my my indicators. Let's see what is happening on this day. Okay, so we're in a general uptrend and definitely a pretty strong uptrend happening right here. So since it's a strong uptrend and it's like right, it's very clear that it's an uptrend right here. Something like that. Something like that. Okay, so in a trend channel like this, I want to be buying at the bottom of this trend or selling at the top, and it's preferable to buy at the bottom. So let's see. And I don't want to buy here. This one's not really at the bottom, and plus it's not a good bar, but like for example, this would have been a good place to buy, maybe. Let's see what happens next. Okay, so it's possible that this trend channel, and you see like this trend channel has been gone for a pretty long time, so it wouldn't be surprising if we're failing this trend. Let's see what happens next. Okay, maybe it was attempting a breakout, but the breakout is not working. And let's see, we've had really good selling pressure up here, really good selling pressure up here. It's only recently that we're getting some red bars, and we're not having like a ton of red bars. So I think this was an attempt at a breakout, and I think we're going to go back up again. Now, I think we will attempt again in the future. Like we'll have a second attempt. But since this one looks like it's failing, I am going to buy at this point because I'm expecting that we're going to come back up here and we're going to keep coming back up here. Maybe not. Okay, I have to flatten there because that's just too... Okay, so it appears that now we are exiting the trend, the upward trend channel, and we're entering a trading range, at least for a while, a trading range. And I should point out, when I bought right here, like I was just trying to like capitalize on all of this movement to try to like make the most amount of profit. But the more prudent thing to do would be to wait for it to like come back to this line. And I did not. Okay, so this, I don't know. We can't really tell what's happening because it's the very beginning of a trading range, but let's see. So it could be a trend down, but I'm thinking I'm more likely to be a trading range. Yeah. I think it's a trading range. So like I think next we will come back down, but I don't want to like bet on that because I don't have enough evidence that this is definitely a trading range. It could be that we're still in this upward trend and this little thing was just like a bottom blip, like a bottom thing, and we're gonna keep coming back up here. So let's see. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I think we're going to keep going in this trend. I think this was just like a thing that came down. And if I look at it, I mean, we could say like that, but then we don't have nearly as well. Yeah, we have 3 touch points if we do like that. Something like that. So, and we've exited, we've like gone way above this trading range. So and we've set, is it a new high? It is a new high. So I feel pretty good here to buy. And let's see if I'm wrong again. Oh, yay, I wasn't wrong. Okay. So that's good, except I don't love how there's like a tall wick on the top. And the bad thing is that I'm like fighting from behind with my first loss. But because this way, like it tried to go up and it just couldn't. So I'm going to flatten for now. I mean, It's probably going to keep going up, and I'll probably regret that, but okay. Now this bar is looking like somewhat of a bullish bear bar, so this might be just like a very small pullback, and we might keep going up. Let's see. No. Okay, so we've come back to our bottom trend line. So let's see what happens. We could like attempt to go down from it, or we could go back up again. We're going back up again. Okay. So we're going back up again. We went above both of these. We went above the body of this one. I feel good about buying here again. Oh my gosh. Okay, now this sucks, but I mean, I really do think we're going to keep going up. I mean, look, we tried. We're still following this trend line. I really do think we're going to keep going up. So, oh my gosh, I hate this. We are still in the trend line, but I hate going this far negative. Okay. I don't know. I really want to exit because I don't want my losses to get any larger. But 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, big one. I think I need to write it out. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Now the question is, my instinct is that I want to flatten and just be like happy that I didn't lose on that trade. But I also do feel like, well, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to flatten. Because we're kind of coming up to like right about the same point. And if we keep going, then I can buy again. It's no big deal. I can always enter again. Okay, that was a good one. Now, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Do I want to enter? I mean, I kind of want to enter again. But it's not really a great place to be buying from, but let's see what happens next. Okay. Whew. That makes me feel good that I didn't enter again. Let's see what happens next, because I can't buy on a... Okay, maybe our trend is widening a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to buy again. I think. Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh, that's a terrible, terrible loss. Are we entering a trend range? Kinda, sorta looks like maybe we are. Kinda, sorta looks like this, huh? I really, really hope it's not. But it kinda looks like it is. But we're still kind of, oh man. Let's look at it from, I mean, we're definitely kind of hitting some resistance. This is a upward looking, let's keep a hold on to, I mean, it's either going to be horrible or it's going to work out okay. Yeah. Oh, we're looking horrible. We're looking like it's getting worse. We are still in that trend range. Let's see what happens. Oh. Okay, so this is a bad day. This is a bad day. We've gone below all of the places that I would have thought that we might come up from. So, like, this is truly a loss. Okay. What happens next? Are we coming up into that trend thing? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. That was like pure luck. That was not any skill whatsoever. All right. I need to practice again. I don't count this as a good day, but thanks for watching.